All right. Okay, test out in front of you. Okay, name on it except for my select two. You'll get a ruler here in a second. Number one, you have to find the total sticker price. Use your base, use your options, use your transportation and handling. That's all part of the price. Number two, you have to do the amount paid for the vehicle. The big thing I'm wanting you to calculate, you have to calculate how much interest that is. So you have to use your basic formula. Price times rate times time. That's your hint. But then you have to calculate how much you're going to pay per month. So that's also affected by your years. Number three, you're finding the sale price of the car. You're doing your trade-in and the rebate. You're getting those prices off the top. You don't have to do anything else other than that. Four, you're finding the deferred price of the car. So that affects your down payment, your monthly payments, and how long you're paying it for the term. Okay? The cash price is only used when you're trying to figure out how much interest you pay for the car. So that's the last thing you have to use. On the back, number five, you're doing the different coverages. This is Wesley, it's a male now, and he's got different coverages selected. You have to figure out how much he's going to pay total, and then his policy factor, since he's male, has a certain policy number. So that affects what his premium is. You have to find out what he's totally paying for his insurance. Six, find the average price of the miles. So you got to do your end result, your beginning, and how many years. Seven, you can see your map. It's a map of Europe this time. You're finding your two towns that I've selected there. It's printed on your test. I give you a new scale. You still have to measure in centimeters. Use your new scale to figure out how many miles you're traveling, figure out your miles per gallon, then figure out what your price is. I should have answers for A, B, and C for each one. If you mess up part A, let's say you get the wrong mileage. As long as you do the rest of the math right on the rest of the steps, they still give you points. Don't feel like you're going to miss them all just because you got the first part wrong. 8, you have to calculate your total cost of repairs. You have a bunch of parts there. Yes, you're buying a bunch of antifreeze, so you have to calculate those total. You're buying a bunch of spark plugs. You have to, add in those prices. You have to use tax on those, and then add in your labor. And I try to pick an easy number for labor, so you're not doing a bunch of extra work. You're welcome. So, there's your test. When you're done, you can turn it in. Those two, you guys can head to your room. So, Chief, you can go.
Hi, Chief.
Okay, I'm gonna hand out rulers and whatnot. Map. Anyone not get a map or anything like that? Hopefully you had your practice guides in. Hand out rulers. I'll take that test. Yep, because I already have one in the room you're going to. As I said, not to worry.
I'm gonna have to go down there. If I'm gonna have to go down there, usually I get a choice.
Oh, if you want to stay, you can stay.
I thought you said don't write that. So.
takes them. Price of vehicle is your sale price. Doing a trade-in and a rebate, it's not count or the total, it's pretty easy. Deferred price, your monthly payments, the down payment and how many months you're doing, that's your deferred price. And then, once you have that, then you can use the cash versus the card. That much you're paying interest. Weston, he's in Canada, he's in his rent, also, he's gonna have some paying total. And then he has a, since he's male, he has a factor that affects his premium. So figure out his total, he's paying for insurance. And mileage, you know, the number of years, figure out what your average is per year. You have any map of Europe. Use your scale, still measuring in centimeters. So use your scale, figure out how many miles you're traveling between the two towns it's spread. Figure out miles per gallon, figure out price per gallon. If you mess with the first number, at least do the math rate for the next one, so you can still get points. And then 8 for your total, you're buying a bunch of, for each, you're buying a bunch of spark plugs, so that's gonna affect your price. You still have to do taxes on everything, and then have everybody have to use them for it. There's a lot.
I'll just put it in there.